An alloy of copper, silver, and gold is found to contain copper, forming the simple cubic closed packed lattice. So, copper is forming simple cubic lattice. If silver atoms occupy the face centers, okay, and gold atom is present at the body center, then the formula of the alloy is. Okay, so we'll first see the copper is forming simple cubic. In simple cubic we know that the atoms are present at the corner only. So suppose this is the unit cell. So copper atom will be present at all the 8 corners. Okay. And we know that contribution of atom in the unit cell which is present at the corner is 1 by 8. So it is 1 by 8 into total number of atom, that is 1. So effectively 1 copper atom is present inside this unit cell. Now we'll see the silver atoms. Silver atoms occupy the face centers. Okay, they are occupying the face center. We know that there are 6 faces of the cube, and when the atom is present on face center, suppose this is the face center, so its contribution inside the unit cell is half. So there is 6 into half, that is 3 silver atoms per unit cell. Now we'll come to the gold. Gold atom is present at the body center. So we can see this is the position of the body center where gold is present, and that is completely inside the unit cell. So effective number of gold atom is 1. So effective number of copper is 1, silver is 3, and gold is 1. So the formula of this alloy will be Cu Ag3 Au. Let's see the next question. In a solid oxide, ions are arranged in CCP. Okay, so ions are forming CCP lattice. 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by A cation. So 1/6 of the tetrahedral void are occupied by A, and 1/3 of octahedral void are occupied by B. Then the formula of the solid is, okay, so oxide ions are arranged in CCP. So oxide ion is forming CCP, or you can say FCC. So effective number of oxide ion is 4. So there will be 4 oxide ion. Okay. Now in FCC total tetrahedral void is 2 times of effective number, that is 8. Okay. And 1/6 of that is 1 by 6 is occupied by A. So it will be 4 by 3, that is occupied by A cation, and 1/3 of the octahedral void. Total octahedral void is 4. 1/3 of this is 4 by 3, and this is occupied by B. Okay. Now what will be the formula? So it is A is 4 by 3, B is 4 by 3, and oxygen, that is oxide, is 4. Okay. Now we have to convert this into simple whole number. So we will multiply with 3. So it will be A4, B4, O12. And then we can take 4 common and we will get AbO3. So this is the formula for this solid oxide. Thank you.